Now I will be cutting the yoke of the back pants pattern. Okay. Then I will cut the outer facing of our slide pocket. This is the allowance for the waistline area. And this is the allowance for the side seam. Okay. Now I will be cutting the sewing allowances for our patch pocket. I will be cutting the sewing allowances for back pants pattern. As you can see, I'm following the line of the rise or the crotch. I'm not cutting this way. And here also, I'm following the line of the inseam. I don't cut here, but I cut this way. I will first cut the bottom of the pants and cut it way past the sewing allowance. This way. Then I will fold the bottom of the pants this way, so that the hem allowance of the pants will follow the shape of the side seams. So this is how this area of the hem will look. See, it follows the side seam. Now we will cut the sewing allowance of the side seam of the front pants pattern. And now we're cutting the sewing allowance of the curve of the slide pocket. And this is the waistline, part of the waistline. And here's the center front leading or going to the crotch level. Now this is the inseam. Now this is the sewing allowance for the inseam. I will cut first the bottom of the hem of the pants this way. Then I will fold the hem allowance of the pants this way. Okay, now I will continue cutting the outer side seam sewing allowance of the front pattern of our pants. And here, I will continue cutting the inseam allowance of our front pants pattern. So here is the shape of the hem allowance for our front pants pattern. Okay, now we have completed cutting the front part of the pants.